In this short tutorial I'm going to talk about layers. AutoCAD is great because it provides us with the ability to create as many layers as you want, and then you can use those layers to separate the geometry. So we need to come up to the Home ribbon, and in the middle of that ribbon is a panel called Layers, and it's the top button in the left corner that we want, so click that. Now a dialog box appears, and this is the one that allows us to manipulate our layers. By default, AutoCAD gives you one layer, and it's called Layer 0, and you'll see by this green tick that it is the active layer. That means anything I draw now on the screen will appear on that layer. But we need to create more layers. As we work, we need to always be creating layers and separating our drawing into parts. So this is the button to use, Layer, and we need to give it the layer a name, and I'm just going to type Hidden. Now I'm just going to work my way across. I've given the layer a name. This little light bulb allows you to turn the layer on and off, make it visible or not. This one freezes it and makes it invisible or not, but also freezing everything. This one locks it, so everything on the layer will not be able to you'll be able to see it, but you won't be able to move it or edit it. This little one here is important. We use the color to help us easily identify what items we have on the screen and what layer they're on. So I'm going to set this one. I'm going to click on that and change the color to red. This next one is, if I draw something on this layer called Hidden, what line type will it be? Well, currently it's set to continuous. Well, I'm going to change that. I'm going to click here and select a different line type. But when I do that, I see I'm only given one to pick. If you need more line types, come down to this little button called Load, and in here these are all of the default line types that AutoCAD gives you. Let's just pick the top one for an example and click OK. That line type is added to the list now, but now we need to select that line type and click OK. And now we have a red color with a particular style of line type. The next one is the weight of the line. So if we select this word default, and these are the line weights that we can have. Now I'm deliberately going to pick a line weight that's quite thick, just to demonstrate what's happening. That is far too thick for the type of work I draw, but it's just for this example. And just click OK. So there we have it. We have our layer with a name, its colors set, the line type set, the line weight set. The only thing I haven't done now is make that the active layer. So to do that, I just simply click on this little green tick at the top here, and now the hidden layer is the active layer. Once I've done all of that, I can close that dialog box down, and now I'm ready to draw a line. So if I click the line command, click anywhere on the screen, and draw a horizontal line, you can see now it was drawn on this layer called Hidden. It's colored red and it's got a pattern to it. So that's layers.